Sometimes when sewing a decorative stitch, you want the stitch to be flipped over, and that is where the mirror image comes in. So I've picked stitch number 188, the little hearts. So if I had them going down the fabric, but I realized that all my fabric was in here for the direction they needed to stitch out properly, just remember that you can flip the stitch and not have to worry about all those extra fabric being in here. It can be outside your machine, and the hearts will come out as needed. So not every stitch, of course, is available to flip because it's symmetrical, but for example, like stitch number 90, where there's the little scallops, if you engage the mirror image, you will see them flip on the screen. Now, if you have something like stitch number 94 that looks the same both directions, you're not going to notice any difference when you select the mirror image. One thing nice, you can engage the mirror image when you put stitches into memory or the sequencing. So when you're here, if you're putting in, for example, stitch 111, and touch OK, and then put in stitch 111 again, and then mirror image it, you'll see that it actually will flip-flop on the screen and give you a whole new combination of stitches when this stitch. So it'll stitch one way and then one the other. All you need to do is put in those two stitches, and then it will repeat over back and forth between those two stitches. So love the mirror image. It is super easy to control the way the decorative stitches will stitch on your fabric.